This course will help you to understand the real-time stream processing in general and apply that knowledge to create real-time stream processing applications using Apache Kafka and Kafka Streams library. My approach to building this course is example-driven and applying the progressive common sense technique for developing new skills. What does that mean? That means every concept that I explain in this course is supported by and demonstrated by an appropriate example. That's what I mean by an example-driven approach. We'll be creating simple, straightforward examples and relate them to a real-life scenario. I've structured this course to follow a progressive approach. That means you learn one technique first and then progressively add new ideas one by one to grow your knowledge and enhance your skills. I'll never introduce you to more than one new concept at a time to avoid confusion. I'll first talk about what, then why, and finally talk about how. And that's a common sense approach. This course is designed to help you to apply your general ability to perceive, understand, and reason the concepts by asking the right questions. This course is designed for software engineers willing to develop a stream processing application using Kafka Streams library. I'm also creating this course for data architects and data engineers who are responsible for designing and building the organization's data-centric infrastructure. Another group of people is the managers and architects who do not directly work with Kafka implementation, but they work with the people who implement Kafka Streams at the ground level. I'm assuming that you are familiar with the basics of Java programming language. The examples in this course are using Java 8, and I'll be using Java 8 Lambda syntax. So, Java knowledge is a prerequisite for this course, and experience with Java 8 Lambda will be helpful. Prior knowledge on Apache Kafka is helpful, but not a mandatory skill for this course. In this course, I'll be covering some needed basics of Apache Kafka. However, main subject of this course is Kafka Streams, and hence, most of the focus will remain on creating streams and processing streams. This course is based on Apache Kafka 2.2. All the source code and examples in this course are created and tested on open source distribution. Some lessons of this course also make use of Confluent community version to explain and demonstrate functionalities that are only available in Confluent platforms such as a schema registry and Avro Certis. Source code for all the examples used in this training are included with your course material, and they are also available in public GitHub repository. The link is included in your training material. Your training material also consists of a bunch of quiz, programming exercises, and their respective solutions. Great! So what are you waiting for? Join this course right now, right here. Looking forward to seeing you in the course. Keep learning and keep growing.